This is Seth with Skybird Roofing. We are here at 363 St. John Church Road in Goldsboro. We're here to do a repairability test. First thing I want to show you is the shingle we will be doing a repair on. Not only do we have wind here, but we have hail throughout the roof as well. So I want to show you the top two rows, showing that there's no creasing or breaks in the shingle. Once we do start this repair, we're gonna make sure that if the repair is done and the shingle above it has creasing or breaks, that goes to show that this roof is not repairable without causing continual damage. So, I want to show you first our 45-degree angle. A little tough to see, but 45 degrees is right there. We'll not go past that point. Make sure I've got enough nails here. Let's begin. Start seeing granule loss. That's going to contribute to showing that the roof can't be repaired without causing damage. Oh man, that just came right off the nail. Shit. Can't get this nail off. Can't even find the nails in this. Oh, they're all rusted out. It's just hard to see. Hope that come on, man. Somewhere. All right. All right. Shingle's a bit harder. What's going on there? There we go. Roof snake here. Let's not these bad boys in. Last couple up here. Get this now back in here. And as you can see, we have creasing along the top parts of the shingle here. One good wash that'll show that our shingle is all creased. Therefore, from our professional opinion, this roof cannot be repaired without causing continual damage. Thank you. Have a great day.